guys, so this is my behind the scenes for my Earthling ear cuff. So I started out with some really beautiful Picasso seed beads, and I really wanted to pair them with these lovely end beads that I really like. So what I started to do is I kind of started separating my beads bit by bit, and I started also creating some of the links, which are the single beads that form the bead chains that make up the foundation of the ear cuff. This is one of the first links I made with some of the seed beads that are opalite and amber. I prefer to create all the links for the ear cuff as they come. So instead of doing each individual line, I will make all of the links of each individual group, and then I will start putting them together. So usually this takes me anywhere from 1 to 2.5 hours depending on the design, how many beads I use, and this ear cuff is actually on the longer side, but I really like how it turned out. So stay tuned. Here is the finished product, and also you'll be able to find links to purchasing the one and only kit I will be providing for this design. So these are the very exact beads you're going to get in your Earthling ear cuff sister kit. You're going to get the beads and the ear cuff base to make your very own unique design. The only things you'll need are your wire and your own set of pliers to complete this design.